Alright guys, today I will show you how to remove the valve guides. As you can see, I probably had problems with one of them, or it was one of these seals, whatever it is called. So today I will show you how to remove the guides that of course guide the valve, so you can so it makes a better connection, so it goes through and stops exhaust coming from the piston, either exhaust or on this side is as well the fuel. So anyway, I'll show you today how to remove one of these. You have to use either proper tool, or in my case, since this is a poor man's garage, I try to find an easy way without spending much money to remove one of these. So yeah, I'll show you how to do it. You can buy different tools on internet, or even you can rent it from probably AutoZone or places like that. I do not know how much is it. I believe the one that I have, the set, is it's around $20. The problem with the set is it does not work that well. You're gonna have to still use some of your own things to figure out a way how to do it. The set comes with one of the pushers. Let me see if I can find it. It's like that. So what happened is that goes through and then it keeps pushing it. But the problem with that set, if I can find the right one, let me see. Here we go. So the problem with this one is it will go through fine. It will start pushing it out, but then at some point it will hit the end over here and it will not be able to push it all the way through. So that's where you have to find a way to continue pushing it that way. I would suggest, I don't know for other cars, but I know for Mitsubishi Eclipse, these guides, they are they can go both ways. You can push it from the inside of the cams towards the piston, or from the piston inside towards the cams. It don't matter. The only reason I'm doing it from cams towards the piston is, as you can see, the cams have flat surface. So once this tool hits it, it will stop at that surface. On the other side, it's actually different. Let me rotate this thing so you can see it. On the other side, as you can see, you can actually hit with the tool this edge over here, and you will scar it and you will damage it right there as well. It's not flat. So yeah, be careful whatever side you decide to do. Most important thing probably is to not to scar it, not to damage inside of the walls of the head for this thing. And also one other thing, if you don't use a proper tool, this is what happens. you will break them, because these are brittle. They break really easy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you now how to do this, and this is the pretty much the tool that comes with, and it comes with different sizes of this tip, but this is the one I found that works really good with this. So it you push it in there or in here, it don't matter which, whatever you want to use, and then you bang it with a hammer. So yeah, here we go. It might shake a little bit, the camera, but yeah, that's what it takes. All right, ready? Let's do this. As you can see, it's already going. So yeah, you just keep banging. Make sure this tool, there you go, it stopped. So now, that's the problem with this tool. The problem with this tool, it's not gonna push it all the way through. And if you use one of the bigger sizes, it will start actually cracking the guide, like it happened to me. So I had to actually push it from the other side. So I would suggest you now to use this. It's a 1/4 inch extension. You can put it right there on that thing, right there, like that. Make sure it's on the guide. It sits flat with the guide, and then you start hitting that one. But be careful. Make sure that this thing don't slip and accidentally scar the wall. All right. Once you get it a little bit deep, little bit lower than the surface of this thing, I use this. This is 932. It's like a little socket that you put on the screwdriver or whatever, and then I use this extension, adapter, and then I put it in here. So this will actually fit inside that really nice, and with this you will not scar the wall. So as you can see, it fits perfect. You put it like that, and then you continue hitting. Right, let me move it a little bit. I think it's up. Yep, it went through on the other side. As you can see, 1 second, there it is. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. It's really simple. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know even better way to do this, but yeah, this is my way, and so far it's been working just fine. I checked all the walls inside, and it didn't scar them. So yeah, it works for me, and hopefully this will help you guys, so you don't have to buy one of those expensive tools sets and all that crazy bullshit that nowadays people are saying, hey, just get the proper tools, get this. You can always do it with some spare things, some other things. It might be harder to do it, but it works. As you can see, I managed to pull it, and yeah, I'm pretty sure most of you guys will do it too. So be careful one more time when you're banging on those. Be careful so you don't damage it so it doesn't slip and damage the wall and all that. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys, and hopefully this will help some of you, and hopefully you guys learned something today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys on next time on some other video. Bye.